what's up? Today we're gonna be unboxing a wooden tool set that we purchased from Shopee. This was very cheap, it's around 350, and hopefully the quality is good because we're gonna be giving this to my son as a Christmas gift. In-order namin siya nung Shopee sale on 12/12. Free shipping, it's very good. And kakarating lang ngayon, and it took about 10 days. So the purpose kung bakit namin siya binili nito is because for the longest time we've been giving him plastic tools. Problema lang, siyempre since plastic, madaling masira. So why not you try a wooden set? Hopefully, maganda yung quality niya. I hope that everything's intact inside the box and walang damage. So, yung pangalan niya dito, official name niya is Combines the Tools. Okay, this is from company Xiaomamu1. So it's a Chinese company. Alright, so here we go. Let's see how good this is. So inside the package comes with a rack, a flathead screwdriver, a wrench, some nuts and bolts. Buksan ko siya, but I'm still gonna repack this since iligalo nga namin sa anak namin. Let's see how the quality is. Maybe makatulong sa inyo in deciding if you want to purchase this if makita ninyo sa Shopee. I'm gonna be leaving the link on the description saan namin bili to, anong specific store, and hopefully you still can get this at the around the same price that we purchased this. So yun, lagyan natin dito sa taas. Yeah, the quality of the toy is very good. May small wooden cracks dito, pero okay lang. Okay naman siya. Feeling ko tatagal siya. May ruler na kasama, pero itong ruler, I'm trying to bend this. Pang sturdy yan naman, no? Huwag lang sigurong hampasin talaga ng bata. For sure, sira to. Okay, so wrench, may mallet. Ayan, pwede siyang magbuting-ting dito. Yeah, for sure tuwa yung bata for the sa set na to. Quality niya so far so good for the price na sa 350. It's very good, ah. I mean, you can get different plastic sets na cheaper or comparable to this and get more items, pero for me, coming from those kinds of toys na mga binibigay namin sa kanya na daling masira, this is for me a good buy. I like it. Yeah, so yun, that's it for now. Later I'm gonna be making a video of my kid playing with this. Hopefully mag-enjoy siya. And yeah, see you later.
It looks cool. What is this then? A hammer?
It's a tool set.
Tool set? Wow! And open. Open. But this is cool. Hey, what's this? Screwdriver? How do I screw it out? It's hard.
You use the wrench underneath.
Oh, wait. Underneath?
You hold the nut underneath. Not there. Hold it underneath with the wrench.
That's a little bit different. But what's all of those? Wow! What's this, Daddy? What's this? And how do I remove it?
Use your screwdriver.